Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I am here with questions of CUET 2024 which may prove important for this year also. So if you like the video, please share and subscribe. Question number 1. If the elasticity of demand is equal to 1 at every point of the demand curve, the curve is known as A. Perfectly elastic demand curve, B. Perfectly inelastic demand curve, C. Rectangular hyperbola, D. Greater than unitary elastic demand curve. Answer is 3. Rectangular hyperbola. When elasticity of demand is equal to 1 at all points of the demand curve, the total expenditure remains constant along the demand curve. Such a demand curve is called rectangular hyperbola. Question number 2. In the theory of consumer behavior, the inequality is called the consumers A. Budget, B. Budget set, C. Budget constant, D. Budget behavior. Answer is 2. Budget set. The inequality shows the possible combinations of goods a consumer can afford according those spending less than income. This is called budget set. The equation represents the budget line. Question number 3. Identify the correct statement. A. Adam Smith is called the father of modern economics. B. J.M. Keynes gave the theory of income, output, and employment. C. Fourth sector model is equal to C plus I plus G plus X minus M under bracket. D. Store of value is the primary function of money. Options are A, B, D only. B, first option is A, B, D only. Second is A, B and C only. Third option is A, B, C, D. Fourth option is B, C and D only. Answer is second, that is A, B, C only. So A is correct here. Adam Smith is known as the father of modern economics. B is also correct. Keynes developed the theory of income and employment. C is also correct. Fourth sector economy formula includes C plus I plus G plus X minus M. And the D is incorrect. The primary function of money is medium of exchange, not the store of value. Third question, arrange the following in chronological order, earliest to latest. So first is general theory of employment, interest and money, Keynes. Second is Mahalanobis became the fellow of Britain Royal Society. C. Wealth of Nations, Adam Smith. D. The economic consequences of the peace, Keynes. Options are first CDAB, second is ABCD, third is ACBD, and fourth is DACB. Correct answer is 1, that is CD. So C is Wealth of Nations, which came in 1776. D is Economic Consequences of Peace, which came in 1919. A is General Theory, published in 1936. And B is Mahalanobis, became FRS in 1945. Next question, if there is no government and no foreign trade, then G is equal to T. First option is G is equal to T is equal to M is equal to X greater than 1. Second option, B option is G is equal to T is equal to M is equal to X is equal to 1. C is G is equal to T is equal to M is equal to X is equal to 0. D is G is equal to T is equal to M is equal to X less than 1. So answer is 3, that is G is equal to T is equal to M is equal to X is equal to 0. In a two-sector economy, only households and farms. Government expenditure G, taxes T, imports M, and exports X are all 0. Next question, normal GDP. If normal GDP is equal to $1,100 and real GDP is $1,000, find the GDP deflator. Options are 0.9, A 0.9, B 1.1, C 1 and D 0.8. So answer is 2. B 1.1. GDP deflator is formula is nominal GDP divided by real GDP. Here nominal GDP is $1,100 and real GDP is $1,000. So answer is 1.1. Next question, identify the correct statements. A. stocks are defined over a period of time. B, flows are defined over a period of time. C, flows are defined at a particular point of time. And D, stocks are defined at a particular point of time. And here one more option is given, GVA at factor cost plus indirect tax minus subsidies is equal to GVA at market price. Options are first A, C, E and A, C and E only. Second is B, C and D only. Third is B, D and E only. And fourth is C, D and E only. Answer is 3. Third option, that is B, D and E only. Stocks measured at a point of time. So D is correct. Flows measured over a period of time. B is correct. And E, correct formula for conversion. And here the options A and C are incorrect. Next question, if aggregate supply is perfectly elastic at constant price in the short run, output is determined solely by aggregate demand. This is called the A, aggregate supply principle, B, aggregate demand principle, C, effective demand principle, and D, perfectly inelastic demand principle. Answer is 3, effective demand principle. According to Keynes, when prices are constant, output and employment depend entirely on effective demand. Next question, nominal interest rate equals real interest rate into inflation rate. First, A option. B option is real interest rate minus inflation rate. Option C, real interest rate minus divided by inflation rate. And option D is real interest rate plus inflation rate. Option D is correct answer, because Fisher's equation says nominal interest rate is equal to real interest rate plus inflation rate. Next question, if MPS, marginal propensity to save, increases from 0.4 to 0.5, what happens to the multiplier? Options, A, multiplier increases, B, multiplier remains the same, C, multiplier is undetermined, and D, multiplier decreases. The right answer is D, multiplier decreases. We know the multiplier's formula, multiplier is equal to 1 by MPS. So initial multiplier is 1 by 0.4 according to question. So initial multiplier is 2.5. If we solve 1 by 0.4, it will be 2.5. And new multiplier is 1 by 0.5, which equals to 2. Since MPS increased, the multiplier decreased. So that's all for today. Thank you.